Why does it have to be so stupid? My freaking hair. Ugh. Clean it. But stop. It looks so gay. Look at it. And everything else is perfect. Ugh. Que bosta mesmo, meu Deus. Parece que o cabelo quer cooperate. I'm about to throw this all in a ponytail. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that because then I can't take the picture. Okay.
No, your hair looks. Never mind.
It looks like crap. It's just a piece of crap because it doesn't want to listen today, and it's not cooperating. Like, it's just not cooperating.
Yes.
And it looked perfect when we took the pictures before. When I want to take a picture so I can look perfect like Mark's picture, it doesn't listen.
Oh dear. That's horrible to hear.
And I don't know where the clip went. Your hair straightening doesn't want to listen. And I'm just here, and look how poofy it is. Because I have curly hair, and it sucks balls. And if my hair was to be any gayer, it would be like a lesbian. And Alright. Okay. Tell me what it looks like.
Look at me.
Caroline, I freaking hate you. Turn that off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Caroline, turn it off. Stop. Turn it off. Turn it off.
I guess our fun is over.
I'm gonna flick you off.
Oh, okay. Show it. Show the camera.
It's not nice.
Let's show our hair.
Give me. Shit.
No.
I will beat you.
Okay.
I'm
Stop
gonna
it.
beat you.